can't believe him. Of all people. I need to sage my house to get rid of this bad energy. What the fuck are you doing here? Better question, how did you get the code to get in? Don't you step one more foot towards me. I'm trying so hard not to be the angry black woman, but if you step one more foot closer to me, I don't know what the fuck I'll do. So stay your black ass right there. And what's so crazy is that as I saw the pictures and I saw all this shit, the thing that kept going through my mind was the very first thing you told me. And do you remember what that was? And well, since you have a case of amnesia, let me go ahead and just tell you. You said the Black Queen deserves a love that does not require struggling first. Do you remember that? Do you? Those are your words. But yet and still, you decided to have an affair. Not with any old woman, though. With a white woman. White. Your mistress is white. Mr. Black Power. Power to the people. I'm not down with the swirl. Brother. What's up, brother? Oh, you down with the swirl now, huh? Get the fuck out of my house. And the code will be changed. Spencer won't have it.